This is for the parking for the Pilgrim's Monument. You enter on one side, coming up the hill, coming through, and there's actually quite a few parking spots here for coaches. And you go directly down the hill from there. Coach parking is free if you have a group reservation, and it's $15 for cars, so definitely call in advance to make reservations. This is the Pilgrim Monument from down below. Yeah, and there is a viewing platform around the base that actually is high up enough on the mountain or on the hill to give you a good view down below. So the view up at the top is much better. See the video for that. This is the gift center and the museum. As you can see, there's restrooms available also. From this perspective, when you're already walking out, this side of the building is an art museum with changing exhibits. Currently they have something in honor of the family that, prior to Kennedy nationalizing some of this land, did a lot of work in maintaining and preventing the commercialization of a lot of the shoreline. And then on this side, there's a pretty good sized museum. It's a combination. There's a segment there just on the Pilgrim settlers. There's also a little bit, not as much as I'd like, but a little bit on the Native American tribes that were here. And then right in the center is the gift shop. Alright, this is from the top of Pilgrim's Monument Tower, the observation deck. That's the tip end of the fist of Cape Cod and Provincetown. After walking up the entire tower, let's see. Incredible view. There's the pier. That's where I started from. This way.
Farmers market. Oh no, this was farmers market.
Huh. Too bad. Alright, I'm gonna catch my breath and go back down. Here, there's a motorcycle gang coming into town. And then here, at the base, in the front of the base of the monument, is another monumental structure with a carving that depicts the actual signing of the Mayflower Compact. And over on this side here, this little plaque right here actually has the words of the Mayflower Compact and the name of those who signed it. And you can see it's right by the crosswalk. And this is directly opposite, as you can see by that street sign, Portuguese Square and Ryder. And there happens to be a farmer's market here today that I'm going to explore.